Hello, welcome back. So I want you to give us some assignments to do for tomorrow. Let me just go back to my Pixellab. So let me open my Pixellab. So I want to give us assignments to do. So let me save this one so I can continue tomorrow. That's okay. I'll just save it any amount. Then I'll go back to my default workspace. Then after clicking it, then I will now change my color to white background. I want to use white background. Then I want to make a flyer for those that are hiring people. Then I can just come here and search for office. Let me see if it will bring it. Then I'm looking for a background, a office background that I can use for my design. So a better one. So that's when I want to use this as a background. I just come here. I want to use Pinterest now, and I will now download it. I will download it. Then I will now go back to my image, to my Pixellab, and pick from my gallery. Then I can now pick this one, pick it. Then I will resize it. Then I will lower its opacity. So I want to use this for my background. Then after that, I will now go back to go and download Office here. So I have downloaded one to my phone. Then let me search it. So my Wi-Fi is not going very well. So it has displayed some Office here. Then you can just pick one. Let's assume I wanted to use this one, and then come to this download image and download my image. Then after I have downloaded my image, I'll now go back to my remove.bg. Then I'll go to my remove.bg and go and remove the background of my chair. Then I'll come to this upload. I'll go to my gallery. Then I can pick my picture. Let it load up my picture. So upload. I'll just go back to the gallery. This is the new one I downloaded. If assume I want to use this one, then I will now come there. It will remove its background. Then I will now download it. If I wanted to use this one, so then if I want to use another one, I can now cancel it and go back to my upload image. Then go back to my gallery. Then I can now pick this one. Then it will remove all the background also. It will remove all the background. If I wanted to use the one, then I can download it. But I'm not using that one. I want to use another one. So I will now go back. Then I'll go and pick the images I have removed its background. Then I will now go to from gallery. Then I can now pick my image, my chair, and I bring it here. Then I can now place it here. Then what next I wanted to do? Let's assume we are hiring people for different skills. Then I want to make we are hiring. I want to create images for we are hiring. Then I can now come here. I'll click my shapes, bring it here. Then after that, I'll remove its opacity. Then after removing its opacity, then I can now come here to increase its stroke. And just increase it to 2% or 3%. Then after that, I can now change its color. You want to change the color of my stroke. Let's assume I want to use golden color. I can now use this, or let me just dark it a little bit. Then I'll click my OK here. Can you see? Then I want to write we are hiring, so I need to remove some space here. I need to cut some part out of my shapes. Then if I wanted to cut some part out of my space, out of my shapes, then I'll just click my plus button. I'll click on my click on right button and I'll click on my shapes. And after clicking on my shapes, then I will now reduce the shapes to the amount of space I wanted to leave. I wanted to cut. Then I will now place it to the place. Let's assume I want to use this. I want to cut this place. I want to cut this place also. I want to cut this to this place. Then I'll click here OK. Then I will now go and merge the shapes and the one I placed on top it together. Or let me copy this. Let me just go and merge all together. Copy this. Then let me now increase this. I want to cut this piece also. I want to copy this piece also. Then I will now merge the three together. The shape and this, and the two shapes are placed on them. Then I will now come to this. If I want to merge the two, let me just go back again. I wanted to merge the three shapes together. I'll come to this place. I'll come and click this place. Then if I click this place, let me cancel it. If I click on it, it will pop up some image. Then after that, I will now come and click this place. If I click it, it will bring some circle. Can you see that it brought some circle? Then I will now merge on the three circle, all the images I wanted to, all the shapes I wanted to merge. Then I want to merge these three shapes, this one, and this one. Then I will now merge the three shapes together by clicking the box, ticking the box. So if I tick on the box, 1, 2, 3. Then after ticking the box, I will now come to these two square to merge it together. These two square to merge it together. I'll come and click it to merge it together. Then let me just go. I'll click it. Then are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Yes. Then I'll now go back to go and merge it together. Then after merging it, then I want to cut off the two shapes I placed on them. Then I will now go to my erase color. Then this erase color, let me just merge it. Now come to this erase color, the erase color here. Then you click on it. Then you enable erase color. Then automatically it has cut off the white color. Can you see that it has cut off the white color? Then you can place it here. We have our shape. Then what next? I want to write my text here. I want to write we are hiring. Then I will now go back to my text. I'll click we are. Then I'll change it to capital letter. Then give it a size, increase its size to this size. Then after that, I'll go and change its font to Montserrat black. then let me reduce its size also. Size. Let me reduce it to this. Till I am satisfied with the one I want. Position. Let me just go and use my position. Position again. Then I will now change the color to green. No, I'm not using this. Then I can now change the color. So let me change it to deep color. So let me darken it a little bit. Then let me position it a little bit. So let me position it again a little bit. So then I can now copy this. Then I will write my hiring. Let me change this. Hiring. Then give me so I can now increase its size. Can you see? Let me increase this one size also a little bit. Then bring it down a little bit. We are hiring graphic. Then I will now come here again. A professional graphic designer. A professional graphic designer. A professional graphics designer. So this is the content. Let me just take my time. So I will stop here. No, let me just color. Let me change this color to this color. Then I'm going to change this font. Monsterrat bold. Monsterrat regular. I just look for bold. Monsterrat bold. Then after that, I can now reduce the size. Then I will now lock my images. I can come here to lock. I can click on this lock icon to lock all my images, all my content, so it won't be moving if I click on them. So I will lock it. I lock this. I can lock this and lock this also. Can you see? If you click on them, the thing will not move except for the background I place. Then I can go back to go and lock my background also. Then I'll go and lock my background. The thing, none of them will move except apart from the chart that I haven't locked. So I will stop here. Then I will continue back soon.